Access to the CTBA calendar will help you get information about your band's performance or a jam that you're hosting out to the world. You'll see on this calendar here, if I click any of the events, you'll be able to see the location, the time, and a link to more information about your event. You can post events onto this calendar from a phone, a computer, or anywhere you have access to Google Calendar. This could be through an app or through the website. Once you put your event into the calendar, it will be live synced to the website. No additional steps necessary. So, how do we do this? First, you'll have to become a member to give access to the calendar. Once you're given access to the calendar, you will receive an email with information about how to access it. It'll look something like this. What you're going to want to do is add this calendar to your list of Google Calendars. It'll show up here as one of the calendars you have access to. When you want to post an event, you can click anywhere on the Google Calendar, type the information about your event, change the time of the event, or make it an all-day event if it's a festival. You can also set it to repeat. Say you have a monthly jam on the second Monday. You could click that. You can also add the location here to make it easy for people to find it, or any information that you have on the event. What's very important is that you change the default, which will be your personal calendar, to the Connecticut Bluegrass Association calendar. If you post to the Bluegrass Association calendar, you'll see that not only will it show up in your calendar, but it will also show up on the website. Here we have local jam, live synced. If you have any further questions about how to make the calendar work or how to post your event, feel free to email me at austin@austinschelzo.com.